Alright, Missy, I've got an idea for you. I give you 1,000 bahts and you spend it however you like. Take some more. Just put it in your mouth. So for 10 bahts, you get a sushi, you get the nuclear bomb. And there's the bike. And now, let's begin the part 2 of this vlog in that market where we're going to find our dinner. Very lively market. You want to watch it. Let's go. I hope they don't have too much music here. So far, I don't hear music, which is a good sign. This is one of the best videos from Thailand, I hope, I think. So I would not want it to get copyright strike. Oh, Missy, we just entered and you see? What are we going to have? We just entered. Let's see other things. We had seen crocodile in Khao San market also, Khao San Road, where we had our scorpion and spider. Oyster. This is oyster. Jellyfish. Oh, jellyfish.
Different types of octopus.
Yeah.
Jellyfish, octopus.
Let's check out more things. Did I not tell you? You will find the most exotic Thai food items here. These are meatballs. I would appreciate some meatballs, Missy. What else? Where is she going? What is this? Bread? This looks like steak.
Huh?
Looks like steak, no? You don't think so? What do you think that is? Is it some
Now
sweet?
I saw it. Is this the one? Is
Yeah.
this a fruit?
You see, this is interesting. Let's have this drink.
What is this? Is it sweet?
It's some drink. Is it sweet?
Is it sweet?
Let's have one.
This one? What?
How much? 125.
Rupees 125 rupees one drink. Okay. She's fat.
Try it, Missy. I'll hold it.
I'll pay.
I try first. Okay. Let's try it. They give this in a plastic. Why do they keep this plastic? I don't know.
How is it?
It's lychee.
Huh?
Yeah, Missy's favorite. Okay, you take the money. It's lychee. You see? Thai lychee. The same taste. Have it.
This is only plastic.
Yeah, but this one is real. Good. Eat that with the finger, with the spoon. Let me also have.
I told you no. In Vietnam, I really want to eat this, and you keep on saying later, later.
It's the same thing, right? Okay. So I keep on saying later. This is later. For me.
Who's buying this?
What is it? This looks like raw meat. Hello. Sawadee krap.
What's this?
Fish.
Fish.
Oh, look at the fish, guys.
You want to eat fish?
No, I don't want fish. I've had squid. I don't like seafood. Pork chop. We had that. this looks amazing. Wow. Missy, look at that pork. We can have that pork. Oh, look at this also. Sawadee. Sushi. We can. Let's have sushi, Missy.
I never had sushi.
Yeah, that's all the more a reason
Yeah.
to have it.
Which one?
Which one do you want? Which is the best one? We've never had sushi.
It's the first time. This one and this one.
This one and
looks
this one.
better.
This one is better?
I mean, looks cute.
Okay. Alright, so how many in one portion?
I buy one.
How many we can buy?
One piece is 10 baht.
Okay, so we can buy one also.
Yes.
One each. We'll have one each.
Yes. Which one?
Alright.
Which one?
The best one. It's a Japanese dish. Missy, you're dropping money there. Gone.
This one?
Which? Yeah, this one.
This one. And then which one? So this
Same one. We'll have same.
No, different one.
Different one. Take this one.
is
Then.
scallop. Okay, this one then. Right.
You eat this, okay? How do you eat this? Eat it just like this?
Yes.
Okay.
And soya sauce.
Soya sauce, okay. I hope it's good. Oh, we get chopsticks also, okay?
Okay. Chopstick
Missy,
too. Okay.
it's time to see
Thank you.
your chopstick skills. This is mine, okay?
It's been a long time I didn't
I-
use.
What kind of sauce this is? Wasabi. Oh, wasabi is good. You have this sauce. Oh, this is a okay.
Thank you.
Kapun kap.
Oh God.
You have this sauce, okay?
Is this a sauce?
Yeah, just pick it up some of it. Yeah. Okay, wait, okay. It's going to be interesting reaction. Take some more, little more. Wasabi sauce. Put it in your mouth and just put it in your mouth. Take it. I knew. Let's try now.
Are you going to kill me? It went to my nose also, like an egg
It'll,
one.
it'll, it'll stay there only for a few seconds.
But still, it went to my nose like a bomb, no, nuclear bomb.
Yeah.
It burst like nuclear bomb.
That's what it does. Okay, guys, let's have the sushi.
They are very bad.
Interesting.
How is it? Take this away. This.
Well, I can like this taste.
This is a seaweed, go green one. Now I'm eating seaweed also. You are very bad.
Sorry, Missy. Gone. Gone. If you find wasabi sauce, do this. Okay, take only this much.
Make your girlfriend eat it first.
It'll only last for 5 seconds, but it'll be an experience. So for 10 bahts, you get a sushi, you get the nuclear bomb, and chopsticks also. And Missy will take the portrait. Kapun kap.
People don't vibe here, no?
So far, nobody has said no to the portrait. So people are friendly and not shy. What are you looking for? Missy, let's check out the crocodile then. Let's have crocodile. Let's try it. Let's first ask how much it is. Okay, so there's only one stall where they're selling crocodile, and we did not see any insects. Otherwise, we could have tried, because we've tried scorpion and spider, so there is nothing else that I can't have. Look at this. You don't want? You're not interested?
I am, but look, he's eating human beings.
They don't regularly eat human beings.
Didn't you see in movies they do eat humans?
We can try it, Missy. Let's have something different.
Small.
Yeah, we'll take small one. How much is remaining from your 1,000? I think at least 200 must be remaining. Sawadika, we can have some. Can we have some crocodile?
Yeah, what size?
Small size. Huh?
Spicy or no spicy?
Spicy or non-spicy? Let's make it spicy.
We'll eat it here.
Yeah, we'll eat it here.
Medium spicy. Can you taste? Okay, moment left.
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Yeah, medium spicy.
More spicy?
No, this is good. Medium spicy.
After I go, people won't look at me.
Do you sell this also?
Yeah.
You sell this?
Yeah.
For how much?
This one 700 baht.
700 baht.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. Can I carry it? Like that.
Nearer.
Done?
Done.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. 10 minute cooking box number นะคะ
Okay.
What is this?
Yeah. Let's wait for 10 minutes. We're going to eat it here. So once it's ready, we'll sit down somewhere and then we'll eat the crocodile. And then we'll give you the review.
Give me ticket. Bring me ticket.
Okay, you need it. Okay. Alright. Happen cup. Here's a crocodile. Let's eat the croc. You want to start? It looks just like chicken. Yeah, it's white meat. How is it? Yet to have it? How is it? Is it like chicken? No. Let's find out. Almost. Let's see what almost means. So many people are clicking pictures. People are fascinated by this. Oh. It's hard to put the fork into.
I don't really like.
It does taste like chicken, but it's a little harder to chew. I like chicken more than this, but yeah, it's just like chicken. Almost like chicken. And this vlog. Bye bye. What?
We are done with the night.
We're done? 310 baht remaining. Out of 1000 baht, Missy has spent 690 bahts. In this vlog and the previous vlog combined, only 690 baht you spent. Are we sure? There's nothing else. Alright guys, I guess we'll finish it now. I think I can finish it. This is it then. If you liked it, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well. This is only our second day here in Thailand. It's Tuesday and we are here till Sunday evening. Stay tuned. Bye bye.